The face says it all. Pure terror has reached its peak. Look at those wide eyes and trembling legs. I don't know whether to cry or laugh.
Cause I don't care. Immediately no.
Oh my goodness, she so confidently walked right back out.
เดี๋ยวแล้วตาเขาเป็นอย่างนี้อยู่แล้วเหรอ
Pure terror. That face suggests the dog thinks this is the end of the world. Poor baby. Poor guy loves his car rides, but hates the vet. Well, it's crazy how all species have the same sentiment for the doctor. Full-on resistance mode activated vet. No way. Well, a giant dog using negotiation tactics to avoid a vaccine, absolutely adorable. Dog, I feel like I know this smell. This is danger. I'm going home. Resistance stance, 10-10. Going to the vet. Nope, not today, not ever. He's practicing deadweight defense, and honestly, it's working. The dog is like, no one even asked if I wanted this. His whole body is in full avoid the vet mode. Oh no, he's shaking so bad, poor baby. It's not fear, it's I did not consent to this service. Oh no, saw the vet and slammed on the brakes instantly. I mean, he's tackling crime, but the vet is his real villain. $280 of pure refusal. This dog just changed the clinic's rules. He's making it very clear the vet is not happening today. Oh, is she going to the vet? Or being forced into rehab?
He's tugging on the... She's got hold of it.
Well, he's not aggressive. He just doesn't like injections. Who could handle this? I just want to hug him right away. He knows what's coming. Don't touch me, please.
Vamos a ir anotando sus vacunas. La primera vacuna se llama quíntuple, que si todo sale bien, la semana que viene ya se la
That face really says, that doesn't sound fun. It sounds dangerous.
necesitamos que esté sano y estable. Si supongamos que lo desparasitaron mal o si ya está incubando alguna enfermedad.
That's office, champ. You just got here. No, come on. You gotta see the vet. No, you got to get vaccinations. Champ, you ran away. Oh my goodness. You made it out one door. He's trying to break out. Come on, Champ. What in the world?
Calm down, buddy. It's just a shave, not a shot. Poor baby. Please, give it something to eat to calm those shakes. So cute the pup is snuggling its head right into the vet. Escape skills upgraded to aerial maneuvers. Don't block the path to freedom.
Okay, I'll tell you anything you want to know if you just get up and leave. Anything? Anything.
Maybe a back leg might be better if he's like in front of his owner. Oh!
Allora, la puntura.
Hold your hand.
Look at him, rolling his eyes so hard, the white shows. I refuse. Get that disgusting thing away from me.
我怕他自己气，能不能？